Morning, guys. Happy Monday. New week, new good trades, new good opportunities. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Thankfully, today we don't have any important data coming up. We have it tomorrow. I think it's CPI or PPI. We have tomorrow, but today we're free to trade. So a lot of things are way higher. So we need some pullbacks that I'm watching. I'm watching mainly Meta, I will say Meta and Microsoft. You guys have my watch list on my Discord, Meta, Microsoft, Netflix, and SQ. SQ is a good one if the market is bearish today. SQ is my main watch if I see the market being bearish. But the market's been so strong the past few days that I don't think the market's gonna be bearish. Just maybe a little pullback, a normal pullback. For a SPY, I'm looking at pullback toward 439, 438.50, kind of around what it is right now. If gonna hold pre-market low, it could be a very good opportunity to play the upside here. Under 438, I will say we're gonna have a red day. Let's see. Okay, Microsoft is going lower. I want to see it holding 366. I want to see it going there, 366 or 350 or 368, and hold there. I like SPY. I want to see it holding here, what it is right now. I want to see a little bit more consolidation, or if it can go a little bit lower, it will be perfect. So far, it looks like it doesn't want to go lower. Hi guys, morning, morning, morning. I think everything needs a little pullback. Everything. I want to see Meta around 324. I like this rejection here on the Q, but the SPY is too close to support. I'm gonna go here with the Q, going playing the downside here. I'm gonna get out if uses VWAP support. Yeah, I think it's gonna stop me out. That's it. Got out of there. Ooh. I think I should have waited until this candle closes. I think I got out early. Mm, Morning, morning. Okay, so SPY is looking weaker. I'm gonna try that again. No, it's a real account. When you it's a PA, it's a real account. Okay, so I definitely got out, like got stopped out early, but I need to be careful here because the SPY is a near very good support. 438, 439, it's a strong support on it should act as a strong support on a SPY. So we'll see because I like the Q under this level here that I have. The next one is around 374. Good, I like that. The Q is definitely looking weak. I'm gonna start taking some profit here. If SPY loses this 438.50 or 438, it's gonna be very bearish today. But first need to lose this support here. Yeah, this is a key level for a SPY. So SPY needs to lose this 438.50, 438 level. And if I see a SPY holding here and do some consolidation around here, I'm gonna look to play the upside. Apple is definitely weak, very weak. Also Microsoft. Okay, I like that. I'm so mad that I got stopped out here. I had a very good entry on the first one. Yeah, I have the same feeling, George. Yeah, I don't think the Friday move was like a normal one. Like there was no reason why the market moved that much on Friday. I really like this trade. Just the only problem that I have is I see a SPY still holding support here. Mm, okay, so Apple is under pre-market low. That's good. Microsoft, it's at 366, which is the level that I'm watching to maybe play a bounce. Then Apple is dead. Very, very weak. Okay, let's see if SPY is gonna lose the support here. Microsoft is bouncing. Apple is still very weak. Meta is doing not much, but it's holding. The Q is extremely weak, which is good for me. Damn, Apple is giving back almost the entire Friday move. What the heck? I like this hold on SPY. I just don't wanna like play the upside so fast with Apple and Microsoft being so weak. But I kind of feel like I don't know, like SPY is holding very very good. I need SPY to go under 438. At least I'm getting back what I lost on the first move, on the first trade. Okay. I like this SPY hold. Yeah, of course. I have 13 PAs. Mm, I feel like I want to flip it here and get out of this short and kind of want to play the upside here, but I don't know. SPY keeps weakening, but it's holding. Okay, I like that move. Again, I just need to SPY under 438. At least under 438.50. Okay. Okay, I like that move on the Q. I'm gonna sell one more. I just only leaving one runner. I just wanted to lock profits and be green. And I can see a SPY could easily like change direction here. Okay, Meta is looking bullish now. Never lost pre-market low. So for Meta, because it never went to my 324 level, I'm gonna wait for Meta to go to 330 and use it as support. No, it's not hard. You just play those by group. That's what I do. I play groups. This is a one group that I have 12 accounts, and I have one PA, the new one that I got it on Friday. I haven't traded that one. I have it alone. Because it have different PNL, like it's flat. I haven't played that one. I'm getting out here. Oops, here. Yeah, I'm looking spy if can. I'm gonna go with spy upside here. Yeah, I like this hold. If loses this support, I'm getting out. Okay, so Microsoft is at 366. Let's see if we can hold this level here. If not, it's 364 is the next one. Spa is looking weak. The Q looks like it's making a bear flag here. Spy kinda too. Mm-mm-mm. Ooh, trade of it on your phone. I will not trade of it on my phone. I did it once and it never stopped me out when I click cancel and or exit on all my trades and never did. And then when I went back to my computer, I was lucky that the trade went on my way because it never stopped me out. Okay, so I think I'm gonna, let's see. It's looking bearish, definitely. Okay, whoa, I like that. I like that. But Apple keeps dying. I like that Microsoft 366 hold. Not to trade away to Apex because I trade with Apex. I trade with Apex, but the platform that I use is trade away. And Apex right now has a 71% off, I think. Are we gonna change direction here today? This is like the best risk to reward today. It's a literally a break and retest. It could go to 438 because I will say is this whole area here. Yeah. Yeah, most likely they're gonna have another 90% off on Black Friday, definitely. I like Microsoft, how it's holding 366, but I want to see a little bit more consolidation here. Meta is definitely strong. Never went below pre-market low. I know I haven't tried any other prop firm. Honestly, I started with Apex and I really liked it. I never had any problem. I've been paid like perfectly, so I just stick to it. I understand their rules. So yeah, I never had any problem with Apex. I liked it. I think they have different rules with their PAs, top step. So I don't like because I've been doing this for a few months. I think maybe 3 months now. I don't pay attention too much to the rules for evaluation accounts. The only important thing for me are the PAs. What are the rules for the PAs? Okay, that's not good. Mm, so the most important rules are the PAs because honestly, passing a evaluation account is very easy, and they make it easy so you can so you want to buy more and pay more. So that's how they get their money, right? Having people buying evaluation accounts. Spy, I don't like it how Spy is looking not too strong. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go with Microsoft. I like Microsoft here. It's a good risk to reward. One of the strongest account stocks the last few days. Playing the upside. Mm-mm-mm. I'm gonna go with 370. 370 calls weekly. I like that hold on Microsoft. Yeah, that's why you need to go slow but steady. Look, like my first trade, Okay, I lost, and then the second one I only made $86 on each account, and I'm playing micros, which is small position, but for me, with 12, 10, 13 account, if I make $100 on each one, I'm already making a lot of money. So that's why I'm not looking for home runs or trading with big position. I just want to go slow but steady green. So the prop firms, they make money out of you buying, out everyone buying evaluation account and blowing them. So every time you blow an account, they make money because you're gonna buy another one and another one and another one. And then they make 10% of your profit after you make 25K. So the first 25K that you get paid, it's 100% yours. After 25K, they get 10%, which I think is a very good deal. Okay, I like that this move. Now we're good. Yeah, but if you're not even passing one evaluation account, you shouldn't even care that they're gonna take 10% of your profit after your first 25K. First, you need to pass your evaluation account, then get 25K in profits, and then you think about that 10%. Yeah, on everything, on every single account. It's like I find it so funny that sometimes people ask me, like, when I make money, people ask me, it's like, how much are you paying taxes? And I'm like, I don't know, and I don't care. I don't care if I'm making money. I don't care that I need to pay taxes on that. Or also when I get asked how much I'm paying on fees. on trading fees. And I'm like, I don't know, and I don't care if I'm making money and fees are like $5, maybe $10 monthly. I don't know, even 30 or $100 monthly. I don't care. Exactly. Exactly. I don't care if I had to pay a million in taxes if I'm making like 10. First, make money, and then you think about how much you're gonna pay in taxes or fees. Like for taxes, just go with a CPA. I'm not even American, so I'm not I didn't grow up like thinking about taxes. I'm not a CPA and I'm not American, so I just give everything to my CPA, and she told me what to do, what not to do for next year, what should I change, what I should buy or not buy, and that's it. And I just pay taxes. Okay, that was a weird move there on a spy, which I don't like. So I guess now it's all about patience. Uh, Tax wealth book. I have a tax book, but it was so boring that I could never like finish it. Mm, mm, mm. It's only 10:12, and I feel like I've been here for like hours. I like Q. The Q is looking great. If it can go again above like 377, 376.70, that's pretty bullish on the Q. Enjoy your day, Jay. Thank you for being here. So yeah, we just need to wait and see if the SPY is gonna go higher, fill this gap, or if it's gonna lose the support that it's been holding the entire morning. Um, 330 is the level that I'm watching if you guys are on my Discord, I post what I'm looking on Meta. Meta, you guys have the levels that I'm watching on Meta and what's my plan on Meta. It's either a 324 hold or 330 break and retest or rejection, but most likely a break and retest because the market now is looking bullish. This on SPY was a very clear, easy break on Friday, went back down, pulled back to previous resistance. Now looks like it's acting as support and looks like we're gonna go higher. It's just choppy. But so far, this SPY play is looking great. I don't like how SPY it's going slowly up but then goes down fast. It's just weird how it's moving. Mm, 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 mm. Microsoft's looking very weak. Also Apple. Tesla? What's Tesla doing? Mm, Tesla is hitting again to that 219, 220 area that has been like battling for like weeks now. So that's your if you're in Tesla calls, that's your signal to take profits or get out. 219, 220. If it breaks 219, 220 and use it as support, that's very bullish and it's gonna keep going higher. Mm, 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 mm. Ooh, Meta broke 330. Okay, let's see. I want to see Meta closing the daily candle above 330. If that, if Meta can hold 330, um, I will say I will wait for either afternoon or tomorrow for a retest of that level. Okay, I like that hold on Microsoft. I like the hold on SPY. And the Q needs to break 377 because um was the resistance in the morning 377. Ooh. Damn, Meta's moving crazy. Mm-mm-mm. So yeah, so I'm just holding here, holding until my trades either stop me out or I look to take profits. So for SPY, I will say morning high because yeah, it was a clear rejection in the morning, but also I can see it was support yesterday. I'm sorry, on Friday, so that could act as resistance there. I will say kind, not this one, this one here. And Microsoft, the 360 level, if it loses that level, I'm getting out. Mm, 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 mm. Is this another opportunity to play the Q downside? Hmm, maybe, maybe not. Meta is retesting 330. We want to see Meta holding 330. Let's put Meta here. Okay. The mark is doing nothing. But so far on the 15 and 30-minute candles on SPY, we're looking good. On the 50-minute, we're making higher highs. I'm sorry, higher lows, which is good. But on the 5-minute, looks like a big bear flag. So I don't know. I don't know. We could just have like an indecision day today and just stay inside and not do nothing until CPI tomorrow, maybe. Okay, that was a fake out. It looks like it was a fake out on Meta. Yeah, that will be like the safest play to wait for Microsoft and Apple to be above VWAP. Mm, Microsoft is it's looking way better than Apple. Apple is, it looks like it's bear flagging. Microsoft kinda too, but it's holding 366. Yeah. If I get a move here towards this level, I'm gonna sell pretty much everything but two contracts. Mm. At least I'm green. That's what I like. The super boring day, taking forever to the market to do anything, but we're green. Green is green. I mean, I don't like the first two trades that I did. The one that is the Q stopped me out, and the second one this play here, but I do like this. I think the best one it's this SPY and Microsoft possible upside move. Like for me, these SPY setup and Microsoft are A plus setups. If I just had to play my levels. The Q needs to break this pre-market low here. Yeah. I would like to see it above 377 because even if it breaks pre-market low, then it has 377 as resistance. And Meta is looking great out of holding 330. Anyone on Meta? I only have Microsoft and this is Spy Play. I almost took Meta when I was I saw that it was holding. I was looking Meta like in early morning because it was holding pre-market low, never lost pre-market low, and SPY was holding this my level here also. So I was looking Meta. I almost took it, but I didn't. Mm-mm-mm. SPY, I need you to hurry. I need to go to the bathroom, but I don't want to go because if SPY goes to this level, I need to take profits here, and if it goes lower, yeah, I need SPY to move. I need to pee. Oh, okay, I like that. I'm getting ready to take profit there on this level here. I'm playing SPY upside on futures. So I don't have calls. I have futures contracts. Okay, I'm gonna start selling here. One, go a little bit higher. Damn, look, Meta. I don't know why I didn't take that trade. Okay, selling one more. Hmm. I want a spy to close with a strong 5 minute candle here. Microsoft is looking amazing. Anybody took Meta on that retest of 330? That was perfect. Perfect entry there. Gonna go a little bit higher. If it goes here, I'm taking more profits and I'm going to the bathroom. Okay, let's see if Q can break 377. It's just Apple is so weak. I think Apple is the one that is holding the market down because it's looking very, very weak. But on the bigger time frame, as long as Apple is above 183.50, I think it's still bullish. It could even go to 183 and still no. I think needs to hold 180 let's see 184. 184. So maybe today, what I'm saying is like Apple maybe today is just an inside candle, and maybe tomorrow it can give us a 3 hour play on the daily because it kind of looked like that if can close today holding above 184. I will say 184 on Apple, it will be a possible 3 hour play for tomorrow. Microsoft looking beautiful. Okay, I'll be back in like 1 minute. I'm running. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so far we're looking great. Now we need SPY to break this morning rejection here, and for the Q 377. I'm pretty happy with this trade. This one, not the first one or the second one, but I am happy with this one. Anybody on SPY calls with me? Playing these level here on SPY or Microsoft? It's not looking bad. I added more Microsoft, so I'm fine. For me, all my trades are good unless it breaks my stop loss. I don't know. I don't think that's the right question. The question should be what's your PT or what are you looking for Microsoft? But I don't see like a time like on trading. I don't know when I'm gonna sell unless it goes to a certain level if I'm watching one or if it is telling me that it's looking bearish. But so far, I don't see none of that. let me see what's the next level here. So Microsoft, it could be a little bit above 368. I will say near 368.50. That's your next resistance, which is morning high. Is it? Yeah, morning high. And then all-time high. Gonna put another level here on red, a little bit before all-time high. So I know I'm gonna put an alert. What? I don't need an alert there. I need an alert here. So I have an alert there. And probably it's gonna go there with me here. Everything has a little gap above. Well, SPY gap is kind of big. But yeah, everything has a gap above from Friday's close to today's open. Nice. Oof. Beautiful. That's a beautiful move on SPY. I'm selling one more here. Yeah, I'm selling one more there. I'm just gonna hold these three unless SPY breaks VWAP here. Yeah. I'm pretty happy with this trade because last week I made money, but I was playing against the trend. So I was making like 1K daily, kind of. I know it sounds good, but it was just trading against the trend. So each account it was making like $100 per trade, and it was kind of risky because I was playing rejections instead of waiting for a key level of support and play the upside, because the upside right now is are the strongest and biggest move because the trend is bullish. I even did it this morning. I play a reaction instead of playing just only playing this upside here on SPY or in Microsoft. This SPY play is an A plus setup. And same with this SPY 366 retest and Meta 330 retest here. That's an A plus setup. Mm, I don't know. I don't like adding if it is that far from my perfect entry. So I don't know. I that's honestly that's not how I trade. I like to add, and you guys see me adding on my trade when it's still near my level. So on SPY I was adding here, which is because it was very close to my level. Because for me trading is all about risk to reward. So that's why for me it is so important to have to enter at key levels of resistance or support, like important levels, like daily, weekly levels, because those levels are more difficult to break. But if you want to add something or you looking to trade, I will wait for the Q to hold 377 as support, or SPY holding these, like waiting a break and retest of this level here on SPY. Uh, Bullish on Tesla because of Bitcoin. I don't know. just I don't trade based on any fundamentals. That will be fundamental. I trade based on the chart. So what's the chart telling you? Let's go with Tesla, right? Uh, Tesla here. What is Tesla telling you right now? First of all, Tesla on the daily is a mess. Like you have down, up, down, up. So on the daily is a mess. On the weekly, it's probably making a 3 bar play and it's gonna go easy to 226.38. But on the daily is a mess. Yeah. This 210, 212 hole was a 3 bar play on the daily. And you're near the 224, 222 resistance. So for me, it will be like very easy to play Tesla here because in the past, it moved too much between 220 and 218. That's a big range. So the entry was near 220, 211. That was, I had a level there. Yeah. Near 210, 211 when it went today. That was the entry. The weekly, yeah, the weekly looks good. It looks like it could go to 226, 227. I will wait for a strong close on the daily above 220. So if you can hold 220 on support on the daily, I think Tesla, yeah, it's gonna go here because how the weekly is looking. But just because it's moving doesn't mean it's a good chart or trade. I like the weekly. I don't like the daily. The daily is too choppy for me. Let me if I can take out this. Yeah, look, this the daily chart is a mess. But today was a very clean 3 bar play, but it's about to end. 222 is a strong resistance, and then 224 also. But If you see it keep holding, like if you're holding Tesla calls and you got a good entry, this is an easy hold here. Keeps going up. It's above 220. It's above VWAP, above 90 MA. So I think just look how it's moving. Um, AI? Oh, I forgot about AI. I remember we talked about AI. When was it? On Thursday? I remember I had this 27 level. You can easily say it could be like this. That's a big range here. That's an ugly green. That's the green that I like. So I would prefer until it breaks 27 and hold there. Like I want to see a 27 break on the daily and close above 27 because it could still just keep going lower and lower and lower. So you want to see a break of this downtrend. Can could also be a bull flag or something like that or a wedge. But for me, I will need first for AI to break 27 and hold it on a daily candle. This is a daily. This is a daily time frame because on the weekly might be doing a 3-hour play also. Yeah, on the weekly could be doing a 3-hour play. So if you're feeling risky, you could go here with a stop loss on their Friday's low. If you want to swing trade this, you need time. So if you were me, I will wait until it goes above 27 and hold it as support and close a daily candle above 27. Um, if you want to enter now or you're already in, I will look for next week 27 call and my stop loss it will be Friday low. But again, I will prefer to wait until it closes above 27, a little bit 27.30, 27.20, close a strong daily candle holding 27 as support, and then I will wait for a kind of break and retest on the next day. So let's just say AMD closes above 27 on the daily chart, right? I will wait for tomorrow to either enter as close as 27 as possible or when it breaks pre-market high for a swing trade. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, so 27 is the level to watch on AI. And for Meta, I'll wait for tomorrow because Meta needs to close on same as AI but with 330. Meta needs to close daily candle above 330. That will be a perfect play if closes about 330 and tomorrow like retest, go near 330 or opens and holds today's high. That will be the play for tomorrow on Meta. Or here, it's holding 330 again, so it's retesting again 330. If the daily closes like this on Microsoft, that's very bullish. What's AMD doing? Nothing. Doing nothing. It's an inside candle, daily inside candle so far. Nvidia, what's Nvidia doing? mm, damn, Nvidia may go to 500. Will retest all-time high again. But first it needs to break 490. Mm. Meta and AMD are kind of looking the same. Both had a strong green bullish daily candle on Friday, and they're doing like an inside candle, small inside candle today. Are you scalping DT? It's Nvidia having trouble with pre-market high. 488. 488 is your pre-market high on Nvidia. How many contracts are you trading on that Nvidia scalp? Mm, so we need SPY to hold above 440, which is rejecting right now, and the Q really holding 377. I'm waiting here for a spy queue to see if they wanna fill this gap above. Oh, but this is getting super slow. I kind of wanted to sell everything. Well, not everything, like all my futures and just get out of here. And only hold Microsoft options. 2 contracts. Well, I always say this, but I don't see the point on scalping um with a small size. Scalping is very risky. So if you want to make money, it's way better to just not scalp unless you have a huge account. But scalping is you're putting a huge risk for a very small reward. That's why it's so easy on scalping to lose more than you make. Because you're putting a lot of money to make like 5%. Maybe if it is an amazing scalp, you get 20%. But most of the time, scalpers make like 5%. For me, that's too little for the amount of risk that you're putting in a trade. Really? AI? Damn, yeah. Look, it exploded and closed like it's broke 27 with a very strong candle. So for AI, I will look to trade tomorrow, not today. I want to see the daily candle closing strong at least at around 27.25, around there. Like I need the daily candle to close above 27. That will for me will be the play for tomorrow. And the same with Meta. Anybody got that retest of 330 on Meta? That was beautiful. Basic technical analysis 101. Well, futures is different. I'm a scalper in futures. I was talking about options. Future is different. Option is more risky. Being a scalper. Futures is different because I'm a scalper in futures. Well, I consider myself a scalper in futures. I don't know if I'm really a scalper because I hold my contracts like way longer. I'm learning to sell um more, like faster, trading futures. I don't know what's the so what's the time or how long you need to hold to be considered a scalper. Let's search that. So it basically says that if you're trading in small move, you're a scalper. Large size with for small move. Mm. Well, it looks like scalper doesn't have like a specific time that you can say if I'm only holding like for seconds or minutes, you're a scalper. It just says like the you a scalper buys and sells very fast and looks for a small move. That's all it says. Look, Microsoft looking beautiful. Spy looking beautiful. Meta too. Yeah, it also depends how is the day. Like today was just buy and hold, but other days when you have a choppy market, you need to be like fast. But I do think with futures, you need to trade fast, at least to lock profit fast, so it doesn't go against you, or you try to your best to lock profits fast. Okay, so now we are where? Pre-market high. Now we need to break pre-market high and then we can go to 441. If it breaks pre-market high, we're going to at least 440.80 around there. Ooh, that's a hard rejection. So now we want to see this level acting as support. Damn, what's going on there? What happened there? That was weird. Any news? Mm-mm-mm. I think if its SPY keeps holding for 39.50, it's still bullish. But that move, if this 5-minute candle closes like that, with a wick at the bottom, that's pretty bullish, I will say. That's a new resistance here that we need to break. Oh, and we have the Black Friday 50% off mentoring program. You have the link here on the chat. If you have any question, just DM me. But 50% off only for this until, well, until all the spots are taken. I think I have only like 5 spots left. Yeah, definitely looks like the queue wants to fill the gap here. And Apple is holding VWAP as support. So I think as long as Apple is holding, we're good to go. Mm, 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 mm. Mhm. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here. This is getting super slow. I'm still gonna hold these three runners here. I don't see a reason so far to sell unless he breaks these. I'm just gonna hold unless he breaks this support here, previous resistance, acting as support. I'm gonna hold here. These three runners. I'm probably gonna sell one more here when it goes here again and retest this pre-market high, and then I'm just gonna leave two runners freely to go again unless it breaks this level here. Uh, let's see if we're gonna break this level right now. If it just like keeps consolidating around here, I'm just gonna end the stream because um it's past 11. I think I had an amazing day today so far. Yeah, pretty good. I'm holding my Microsoft unless it breaks 266. I'm gonna take a lot of profits here. I'm gonna put an alert here on that level. I'm locking profits on that level and I'm holding the rest unless you break 366. What else? Meta is looking great above 330. And the Q is looking great above 377. Hopefully we can see a SPY breaking this level here. I will say the gap fill is still 440.47 around there, 0.50. That's my main PT for this play. Okay, I like that. I'm selling one more there. Okay, wait. Yeah, I sold one, holding one. Yeah, beautiful day for me. Not happy with my first two trade, but this one was perfect, perfect. Break and retest trade. Let's see how much I made so far. Ooh, 5K today on futures. What? What was that? What was that? 5K. That was insane. But we need the 5-minute candle closing above this level here. Send me a DM, Joe, because maybe old if it the Black Friday code doesn't work, send me a DM because that's probably because all spots are taken. But send me a DM. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, yeah, I'm done for today. So I'm holding SPY my futures trade unless you break 439.50, this level here. If it breaks that level, I'm getting out. My main PT, oh, it's this week, is the gap fill. That's the gap fill. Perfect rejection there. I'm selling another one because that's the gap fill. So I'm holding only one runner there. And I'm gonna put an alert here because if it goes under this level, I'm getting out. If not, I'm just gonna hold until Fridays. I'm gonna put another alert here around Friday's high, before Friday high, and see how it's gonna react there. But it's only one runner left. Yeah. Yeah, it's already filled. It already went to that level, 444.50, and it got a hard rejection there. It could go, if it's gonna go higher, yeah, maybe. It looks like it wants to go higher, but for me, that's my PT. That was my main, like, that's why I was looking to trade the upside here. Because of this hold and because it had a gap above. So, yeah. Yeah, I do send a course material. I send you a PDF with a guide that I made for the 101 um mentoring. So yeah, send me a DM if you're having problem with the code or if you have any more questions. So yeah, guys, amazing day. Super happy with my SPY and Microsoft trade. Super happy. I hope you guys also make some money out of that. But yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the support as always. See you guys tomorrow, mañana.